It took me way too long to bite the bullet and ditch our old TV stand, but now every time I walk into our living room or plop down on the couch, my brain just lights up at the sight of this. Our wall here is about 8.5 feet wide, and we needed a long entertainment center to really complete the look of this room. With the 4 storage cabinets and 4 open shelves, it offered so much variety for our storage needs, our kid stuff, and all our multimedia equipment. We went with this antique white, and I am in love with the wash textured appearance of this. I really want to point it out that it's not just your stark plain white. This textured look is high end, and it completely brightens up our living room as a whole. Plus, this board is easy to clean. I really love these flap open doors here on both sides that provide more storage space than traditional sliding drawers. The way they're designed these with this high quality metal hinges allows us so much flexibility and long lasting use. Plus, that open and shut click is just so satisfying. I let my husband take full reign on assembling this, and the instructions were clear and easy to follow.